you can't say Okraku-Mantey you be a Ghana entertainment industry, no, on like no yet nipa. Sorry, or yet the bad spots are womb. Na like me taking ya dream. Obia who can so better na dream. But we are saying nipa me feeling you be your can dream. You know, obia can dream, but it is not true. Entertainment
it is not true.
In my opinion. Okraku-Mantey has been, I don't know what the opposite of bad sport, but I think that he has been a bright spot, and he has been, apart from that, he has had a positive impact on the industry. But Okraku-Mantey, there's been instances where somebody might say Okraku or why say on why say I will say you how you be differentiate between Obia ya papa, Obi ya papa. Obia papa, Obia bonnet. It has nothing to do with the individual. And I believe strongly that industry where without Okraku-Mantey can no be brave like a woman. Number one, Okraku-Mantey or start here no Joy FM. Okraku-Mantey was part of the beginning of Joy FM. Okraku-Mantey was part of the beginning of the whole Joy FM. Apart from that, Okraku-Mantey way back in 1996, started producing Ghana ha artist Ben Enna Oswa saying Lord Kenya saying Lord Kenya Okraku-Mantey and then the talk that's a program na so before Lord Kenya Okraku-Mantey was producer at Chiame. What can who be? Your friend is saying Okraku-Mantey no yet that's a program na producer. The whole that's a program no nipa no or yet that's a program na juma Okraku-Mantey. Okraku-Mantey so utie anyway how do you sing that song? Papa your friend is saying abaha or hineba kisi
onene ejuma chi
oh hineba kisi was Okraku-Mantey artist onene ejuma for a very long time. Only kumi guitar na your love is big enough to share without your 1 liter. The alcohol came from Okraku-Mantey producer. Oh, of course, I've been in this for a long time. Okraku-Mantey no producer Danny Best.
True.
Okraku-Mantey no producer George Jara Ashikele. Okraku-Mantey no producer Felix Bell. Okraku-Mantey no producer Nana Tufo.
True.
The whole Nana Tufo. Apart from that, Okraku-Mantey no or a judge or TV3 mentor. Apart from that, Okraku-Mantey no a program's head. It was Hits FM. And Okraku-Mantey or take you over Hits FM. No, Hits FM became a huge entertainment station because before Okraku-Mantey Airbano, Hits FM was not what it is.
Struggle.
And you know, if we ever not because of that, you know, because Okraku the dark spot, the entertainment, and it is. I don't know how you are getting that information, but it is like totally a wrong. And take Okraku deputy ministers were not supporting him. The minimum ako wrong.
Exactly.
Into all can't say no. But I was say a day baby at the end baby done one fan to a free talk. Okraku has done very well for this industry. And he needs to be celebrated. Yeah, in Kenya nipa no nyame frɛ na ne abetena ha ne be kan Okraku asem. Me Okraku produce me da. What you say? Enti no say very unfortunate. Me ntie your friend say me cannot be kasa me boa. But that's the fact. Me ntie me na person producers no bo shatter ho na me tie nya shatter kan. And if Shatter has some issues with Okraku but I don't believe that Shatter would say that Shatter would downplay the relevance of Okraku-Mantey in our industry. I'm sure so between any issues like maybe Okraku or maybe Sikana, maybe Sikasema and and all. I know between two people, a business between two people, maybe are bad. But Okraku-Mantey is one of the pillars of this industry that we are in today. And so personally, I totally disagree. And even Okraku-Mantey as deputy minister, Nancy or Kochiche Skaya, oh yeah, friends, almost 6 kebiaba na World Bank score mo chiche ya omo fra no do man fra me ya guy.
Asima kan.
I saw mo fra o man fra me.
Ese wa.
Papa use kebi mama.
Omo fa man ye, but omo fra no, but omo an fra me. Oh. But I know there wo.
Yeah.
Omo chess kan no mama me kura. Eno so dey make me gas ade na mo chess kan mo mama me. I know you one issue. But want to me can say because Okraku-Mantey ministry no omo the grant we buy na omo chair no omo ama many flow to Okraku-Mantey relevance in the no we have to learn how to separate issues and ebi amunya take line as well